Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection. I'm back again with the news as we always never promise. Today we brought for you this PUMA Furcy Orange Training Sneakers. This is, guys, the most shame sneakers that you will ever see in your life. But guys, before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like the video. I know you will like the video, I know. So let's go. Actually, my wife, she wear it 1 month and a half. She work out in gym, 3 times a week, 1 hour and a half. She not use it too much. And watch, guys, it's have holes here and here. Same if you see my previous videos about the other PUMA, same issue. But the other one was the hole in the middle here hole in the side here. If you guys see. And guys, watch the color. This is PUMA for 1 month and a half. If I was work builder, I will not have this color. PUMA, this one and the other sneakers, they collect dirtiness by unusual way. You feel that this is sponge walking between, collect dirt. She wear it 1 month and a half, it start to have black color, collect dirt. This is not happen honestly Nike. Yeah, Nike have a lot of issues, as I mentioned before, but such a shame like this, no. Anyway, she wear it, start to have dirtiness and like this. She decided to wash it. She put it a little bit tight, persil as usual, without softener or anything, and she wash it. Guys, watch what happened to the color. What was that? Mix rainbow. Here dark pink, here I don't know what happened. The dirtiness mix in the color, stuck more, and here start to become purple. What happened with the sneakers? Let's talk now about the quality. This quality is cheap, really. When she wear it for long distance, she feel that she wear it flip flop, not sneakers. It's not comfortable. When you wear it long distance, the shame start to appear. My conclusion for the sneakers, it's 30%, 30 from 100. This is shame in PUMA to create something like this. By the way, my wife bought 3 sneakers PUMA. 3 of them didn't handle and they fucked up after 3 months. Guys, I not advise anyone to buy PUMA brand, to be honest with you. Yeah, Nike have a lot of issues, I not say, but still the best from Adidas and from PUMA, Reebok and all the other things. I mean, especially PUMA, to be honest with you, such a shame. What happened that screwed so much like this? And the color, and why is collecting dirtiness so much like that? Okay, collecting dirtiness screwed. Even my wife has car, by the way. Screw this, but what is this? What's this color? What happening? Like she waited 3 years. Guys, I have Air Max 2017 and she had Air Max, they all stay with until now 6 years with us. And it didn't happen like this. To be honest with you, this is sucks. I don't advise you to buy PUMA at all. Sucks sneakers, sucks quality, and they are still far away from Nike. And Nike's not perfect. Nike also have issues. My next now shoes and sneakers I'm gonna now change my direction to flip lien and stuff like this. I'm not gonna buy these things anymore. Anyway, guys, this was my conclusion about this PUMA. I wanna share it with you. If you was thinking about to buy it, don't, or any other PUMA. Anyway, we'll see you in another video with Hatem for Objection. Peace and love for every one of you.